Trust is a big deal. I've told him before, I'm kind of like, it's like a Labrador Retriever. I'm loyal for life. And, he has taken care of us, all of us. But from that one experience, I knew this is it. This is our doctor. So I met Dr. Dolsky probably about 10 years ago, and I was having really bad knee pain. A friend of mine had been a patient at Capital Ortho, and she told me that I needed to go there, and I saw Dr. Dolsky. We mapped out a plan, and it was my hope that we would make it last a little bit longer, but he knew early on that I was not going to make it, several months. So instead of my plan to make it till the summer, we did surgery at spring break. But he knew the timing, and he was not off. He was right on the money. Great at what he does. He knows exactly what needs to be done and puts us at ease for it.
Catherine was so confident in Dr. Dolsky, and my orthopedic surgeon had moved out of state, and I had no idea where I was going to go. And she said, "Well, there's just not a question. You're going to go see Mike Dolsky. He wants to do what it takes to prevent having to have surgery." So that means a lot to me. I always favor the path of least resistance. My knee replacements are 18 years old. One of those knees was terribly swollen. And he looked at it and said, "I know what we're going to do. We're going to do it immediately. We'll do it here in the office, and you'll find immediate relief."
As a mom of an athlete, I know that when something's broken or sprained or hurt, I know that much. And he knows for the age level that they are and the growth level that they're in, they're taken care of every time we go in.
I've always known Dr. Dolsky because of my mom and my family, and my first big injury was my 11th grade year. I was playing soccer over spring break, and I injured my right ankle. Immediately Mom was like, "All right, we're going to see Dr. Dolsky." There was a lot of physical therapy, but they knew exactly what they were doing, and they made sure to keep a certain timeline. That was very important, and they were very careful with the timing of things.
In, was that sixth grade, fifth or sixth grade football, you broke this thumb in football during a game, and then we saw Dr. Dolsky the next morning.
But then 3 years later, I was playing football again, and it got in the same thumb. Got stuck in a helmet, and it got pulled backwards, and then later on in the game it got pulled forwards, and so I had to go back to him for that, and it was a few more weeks. And later on, it got kind of hit again and pulled back, and so that was another week or two, but since then it's been better.
When I injured my quad, I was kind of nervous because I had a lot of stuff scheduled. I had to be in New York to be in the Macy's Day Parade with some of the captains of my dance team. And we had to walk 3 miles and then do a huge dance. And so I was really nervous that that dance was going to be affected by my quad. But Dr. Dolsky and the physical therapist I told them that I had that coming up, and they understood, and they're like, "Okay, well, we're going to do what we can, and you will be ready," and I was.
I'm especially thankful that with the variety of injuries that I have, I don't have to go to several different physicians. I actually can go see my doctor, and he is capable of taking care of whatever injury I have.
To me, a sports medicine doctor means trust, communication, and expertise.